So we welcome all the students in this next class of building services, and in this short class we will be discussing completely on a single topic that is very important for house drainage system, and this is known as traps. And if you remember, in the glossary of plumbing we have discussed it a little bit and also showed you a demonstration of P traps. How does it works? All right. So today we will be seeing the complete topics of traps. How does it work? What are the different types of traps? Where they are being used? And different purposes that they serve. We will try to understand this. Okay. So if you look at the definition of traps, क्या होते हैं ट्रैप्स? ट्रैप बेसिकली एक बेंड होता है, ठीक है, जो पाइप में हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं और उस बेंड में वाटर कैप्चर हो जाती है और ये कैप्चर्ड वाटर एक सील की तरह एक्ट करता है और वाटर के एक तरफ होती है सीवर गैस या फाउल गैस और दूसरी तरफ होती है एटमॉस्फेरिक गैस और इन दोनों गैसेस के बीच में एक बैरियर या सील का काम करता है ये ट्रैप्ड वाटर. ऑल राइट. So trap is a bend in the pipe where the waste goes out of the toilet. It retains some water after flushing, causing a seal and preventing sewer gases from entering the building. So the same thing is written here. And the traps are located below or within a plumbing fixture, all right, and retains small amount of water, just like you can see in this fixture. Small amount of water is trapped here. Okay, so the water present here is highlighted by blue color. The retaining water creates a water seal. All right, the seal is made of the trapped water only, which stops foul gases going back to the buildings from drain pipes. See, there are two pipes. This is the sink pipe through which the wastewater is discharged, and this is the drain pipe. All right, so in the drain pipe there is foul gases. So this foul gases may pass through this pipe and may come out through the hole of this sink and may enter up into our building. But just because of presence of this water seal, this is not allowing to happen this. All right. Therefore, all plumbing fixtures such as sinks, wash basins, bathtubs and toilets etc. are equipped with traps. Alright, so this is the introduction to the traps. Now there are different types of traps depending on the purpose and the place where it is being used. So the very first type of trap is the flow trap, or it is most commonly known as Nahni trap in our common language. So this floor trap, as the name suggests, is provided in the floor to collect wastewater from bathroom, wash area, wash basins and kitchen sink. Alright. So any bathroom you go, you must have seen such a strainer kind of outlet there. And below this strainer, this floor trap is mounted. So this is the isometric view of the strainer along with the dimension, and this is the inside picture or the cross section of the floor trap below the strainer. As you can see, this is the strainer and there are two types of floor trap shown here. In the first picture you can see the ball or check valve is provided. Check valve, we know that it doesn't allow the backflow. All right, and the water seal level is mentioned here. This is the water seal and this is the drain pipe. Okay, and this is the plug and this is our strainer. All right, in similar way you can see in this case also this is the strainer and this is the drain pipe and here is the water seal. All right, so floor trap is mostly used into the floor. The next kind of trap is gully trap. I think you must have heard the term gully cricket. So this gully is actually in one way a Hindi word only. So a gully trap is provided outside the building, all right, before connecting it to external sewerage line. So there are two sewerage line. One is the building sewerage line and another is the external sewerage line of the public main. So the purpose of gully trap is to collect the wastewater from the kitchen sink, wash basins, bathtubs and wash areas, and the water is again trapped in it as a seal so that the gases inside the external sewer could not enter the building sewerage line. So this is the cross sectional view of the gully trap, and this is the plan of the gully trap, and this is one of the picture of a simplified gully trap. Next comes the P trap, Q trap and S trap. So all these three types of trap are basically classified based on their shape. This is the P trap, this is the Q trap and this is the S trap. In all these three types of traps, you can see the water seal is in the U shaped. Okay, so one thing that is common in all these three types of trap, that is the water seal is in U shaped. But one thing that differentiate them is the direction of the outlet pipe. Just like in this case, you can see the direction of outlet pipe is 0 degree. Alright. Whereas in the S trap, you can see direction of outlet pipe is 90 degree. Whereas in the Q trap, direction of outlet pipe is almost 45 degree or between 30 to 60 degree. So depending on the angle of the outlet pipes, these traps are classified as P, Q and S according to their shapes. Now comes the P trap. Let us try to understand it in bit detail. P trap is designed to outlet through the wall mounted toilets. What is this wall mounted toilets? Let us try to understand it. There are different types of toilets. So as you can see in the diagram of P trap, this P trap gets inlet discharge from here. Alright, and you know that the wastewater flows under gravity, इसीलिए हमेशा wastewater ऊपर से नीचे आएगा, ठीक है. But the shape of P trap is in such a way that outlet is in horizontal direction, 0 degree. So the outlet, it has to be mounted on a wall, ठीक है. So P trap pipe is designed to outlet through the wall mounted toilets. In most homes, there is a P trap installed under the sinks in the bathroom and kitchens. A P trap is a plumbing fixture that has several purposes. It traps debris that has drained from the sink and prevents it from forming a clog deep within the plumbing system, and to stops sewer gases from passing into the home. So in case if some debris is drained from the sink and it starts accumulating at the bottom of the water seal, then slowly it will block the P trap. So we have an additional facility of clean out. So this clean out serves the purpose of cleaning this clog that has formed, and we can open it and check it or clean it for regular maintenance. Alright. Next comes the S trap. And as you can see the diagram of S trap, this is the common diagram of S trap, and here it is installed below a plumbing fixture also. So you can look at this picture also. So as you can see from the shape of the S trap, it is very clear that it is going to receive the discharge of wastewater from the plumbing fixture. From here it is attached, and this from the top inlet. Okay, and this water will be stored here as the water seal, but the outlet is in the vertical direction only, not in the horizontal direction. Here theta is 90 degree. So this S trap is designed to outlet through the floor mounted plumbing fixtures. ऐसे plumbing fixtures जिनकी discharge floor के through से जाएगी, not the wall. Alright, and therefore S trap is not suitable for wall mounted toilets. I hope this is very clear to you and you can explain it when you are asked. तो कौन सा ट्रैप कहाँ पे यूज करना है अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा होगा ना, ठीक है. Now let us have a brief comparison between P trap and S trap. देखिए S trap में कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है, तभी ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज नहीं होता है, और मोस्टली केसेस में आप देखेंगे P ट्रैप ही यूज होता है. हालांकि आप कह सकते हैं कि एस ट्रैप सर सिमेट्रिकल लग रहा है, या फिर ये ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे ही माउंटेड होते हैं ज़्यादातर प्लम्बिंग फिक्सचर्स. But no, there is some problem in S trap. Due to siphonage, what happens? The water trapped inside the seal gets also discharged. जब आप बहुत हाई प्रेशर लगाते हैं, ठीक है. So the very purpose of S trap seems to be lost there. The P trap and S trap are two different types of traps used in plumbing and connect to most commonly sinks, but can be used for all drainage such as toilet floor, drain, etc. S bend trap has the shape of an S and P bend is shaped like a P. If you compare both of these traps, P trap is a newer kind of trap, it's the modern trap, whereas S trap is the older conventional type of trap. Why? Because the P trap has a very high efficiency, more effective, as it is fairly consistent in maintaining the water trap. The water is very easily sealed in the P trap, whereas in S trap what happens, it is less effective as it has a tendency of drying out, allowing flow of gases. अगर water ही dry कर जाएगी तो फिर foul gases का flow करना बहुत ही आसान है and they can enter into the building. So what is the use of installing S trap? और S trap बड़ी भी होती है और ये less effective भी है. So most of the time P trap is highly recommended, not like S trap. Okay. Now in some cases, in place of P traps, we use bottle traps, and they are also used beneath the wash basins and sinks to prevent entry of foul gases. As you can see, this is the picture of the bottle trap. This is the inlet. As you can see, inlet is always from the top, and this is similar to the P trap. The outlet is in the horizontal direction. Between these two, there is a bottle shaped storage, and this stores the wastewater and this acts as a seal. So it is very easy, almost similar to P trap, but this has been named as bottle trap. Now comes the remaining kind of trap, that is Q trap. And Q trap you must have seen in most of the water closet, mostly in the western toilets. This trap is used in toilet under water closet, and I will discuss water closet and their types in detail in the upcoming videos. It is almost similar to S trap and it is used in upper story other than the ground floor. ध्यान दीजिएगा ये बात, it is always used in the upper story, first floor, second floor, third floor, or you can go anywhere, but nevertheless on the ground floor. This is the very important point. Why? Because the shape of the Q trap is like this. As you can see in this Q trap, this is the inlet from the top, and it has to be installed on the top floors only, because this is the drain pipe. We can't install it on the ground floor. Ground floor पे कैसे भेज सकेगा अपने आउटलेट को? ड्रेन पाइप जब ऊपर जाएगी तो फिर ये आराम से इसमें डिस्चार्ज को भेज सकते, बट इट डजंट हैपन ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर. नेक्स्ट कम्स अ वेरी सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ ट्रैप विच वी हैव स्टडीड जस्ट नाउ, दैट इज गली ट्रैप. एंड intercepting trap is almost similar to the gully trap, and just like gully trap but the trap between building sewer and the external sewer. Similarly, the intercepting trap is the trap provided at the last main hole of building sewerage to prevent entry of foul gases from public sewerage to building sewerage. Just like I said you, it is similar to the gully trap, and it has a deep water seal of 100 mm. As you can see, that water seal depth is almost 1 meter depth. The last type of trap is the grease trap. और फिर ग्रीस कहाँ पे बनता है? मोस्टली आपने देखा होगा जब आप किचन में जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे ड्यू टू डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ ऑयल्स लाइक रिफाइंड ऑयल, सनफ्लावर ऑयल और मस्टर्ड ऑयल, what happens, a greasy material starts forming, and while cleaning the kitchen or their slabs or the utensils or the equipments being used, this grease content is discharged into the waste pipe. Now grease trap is a device to collect that grease content of waste and can be cleaned from the surface. You can always open the grease trap and clean the grease trap by removing the grease using a strainer from the top surface. And this is generally used in food processing unit or the industries where foods and beverages are produced. So, in summary, what we have discussed today is the different types of traps and the function and the purpose that they serve. So, the very first type of trap is the Nahni trap or the flow trap, which is provided into the floor to collect wastewater from bathroom, wash area, wash basin, and kitchen sink. Next comes the gully trap, and gully trap is provided outside the building before connecting it to external sewerage line, and it also collects wastewater from the kitchen sink, etc. Then comes the P, Q, and S traps, and they are classified according to their shapes. They essentially consist of U tube. This is not the YouTube which you always watch, which retains water acting as a seal between the foul gas and atmosphere. Next comes the intercepting trap, and it is provided into the interceptor manhole. Manholes are those holes in which a man can enter and intercept inside a scenario of a sewerage line. Intercepting trap is provided to prevent the foul gases from public sewers entering into the building sewers by providing water seal. Next comes the bottle trap, and bottle trap is provided to receive waste from wash basins, kitchen sinks, and other appliances where the appliances do not have built-in a trap or the P trap installed in it. And the last is the grease trap, and grease trap is installed in the waste pipe from one or more fixtures for the purpose of separating grease from the liquid and retaining the grease and releasing that grease safely into the waste disposal system. So this was all about the traps and different types of traps. I hope this must be very clear to you. And in the next video, we will be discussing different elements of house drainage system. So till that, stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you.